Hi guys, it's Meg, and I just want to give you a brief overview of what you are going to be doing for workout number 2 this semester. Since we won't be in person in class for this workout, you have two options to complete it on your own. So some of you may have a heart rate monitor, and if you do have a heart rate monitor, that's great. You can use it for this workout. If you do not have a heart rate monitor, perfectly fine. You're going to use the rating of perceived exertion scale. And we will talk a little bit more about that in a few minutes, and I'll show you where that is within the workout number 2 module and how you can get more information about that. So workout number 2 involves high intensity interval training, which is commonly referred to as HIIT training. So you are going to have the option to complete one of the following 2 workouts. So you have format number 1 is an option. It's going to be ladder sprints. So you can complete this outside on a sidewalk or a trail or wherever you have been kind of working out outside in open air with appropriate social distancing happening. I don't want you to break any rules here. Again, stay away from everyone, stay healthy, but you can do this outside on your own, or if you own a treadmill in your home, you're welcome to use the treadmill for this as well. So you're going to, if you choose format number 1, you're going to do a 5-minute warm-up consisting of a walk or jog, and then you will do a 1-minute sprint followed by a 1-minute walk or jog as your recovery. Then you move up the ladder, you do a 2-minute sprint followed by a 2-minute recovery, a 3-minute sprint followed by a 3-minute recovery, a 4-minute sprint followed by a 4-minute recovery, and then a 5-minute sprint followed by your 5-minute recovery or cool down period. That will take you for a total of 35 minutes. So again, that would be walking and sprinting or jogging and sprinting depending on you and your fitness level. Okay. Format number 2, for those of you who choose format 2, you will be doing a YouTube Tabata style workout video. Tabata is typically 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest for a total of a 4-minute round. And then there's usually about 4 to 5 rounds of exercises. Now this workout video does show modifications. So if you are an individual who maybe needs a little bit less of an intensive a workout, feel free to do the Tabata style workout with the modifications that are shown. The Tabata style workout will, I believe it's about 33 minutes in length. You will do it in the comfort of your own home, and there is no equipment needed besides your workout clothes. So you'll be doing things like burpees and jumping jacks and squat jumps. I've done it several times. I did this specific video a couple times this week just to make sure that it was a proper format, and it should get your heart pumping. So the guy, the instructor's pretty funny. He kind of throws his personality in the video quite a bit. If you are a person who does not enjoy doing videos, then I would highly recommend you do the walk, jog, ladder workout format number 1. So you're going to do either format 1 or format 2. Now, while you're doing this, you are going to, let's get back to the workout number 2 module. You're going to be paying attention to how you're feeling based on the RPE scale. So the RPE scale we're going to use is the Borg 0 to 10 scale. We want you, ideally, this should be an intense workout. So we ideally want you to be at an intensity of 7 or higher. 7 would be considered a very strong workout. A 2 or a 3 on the Borg scale is generally would be considered like a walk in the park, something pretty easy. You could do it pretty much all day. That is a light workout, okay? So we want you somewhere at a 7 or above. Now, a 9 or a 10 would be near maximal, which is how you felt if you gave a good VO2 max test. That should have been how you felt at the end of your workout, of your VO2 max test. So for this workout, again, we want you to be intensity-wise at a 7 or above. If you have a heart rate monitor and you're doing the workout based on your heart rate monitor, we again would want you at about 80% of your heart rate reserve or higher, or 80% according to your VO2 max or higher. Okay, so that information is posted for you in the modules under workout number 2. So after you complete this workout, you're going to answer a series of questions and do a lab write-up. The lab write-up is going to be a little bit different than what you did in the past. Again, just being adaptable. So you're going to answer the questions in a Word document or some type of formatting that's similar to a Word document and submit your assignment using the Submit Assignment button up here. So you're just going to go through and answer all of the questions based on how you did your workout, how you felt. Some of the things that you really want to make sure you pay attention to are going to be to discuss your rating of perceived exertion for the hard or the work portion of the workout and for the recovery or rest portion. Why do you think you were at this RPE? And if you used a heart rate monitor, again, just substitute heart rate in for RPE. Okay. I also want you thinking about where you were on the energy system ladder throughout the majority of this workout. And does this make sense based on where your VO2 max is? And think about your anaerobic threshold. So take that science that we're learning in class and apply it to the workout and your workout reflection. And then what other body cues did you experience during this workout that let you know you were working hard? Think about things like, were you working up a good lather? Were you sweating pretty good? Was your mouth open to intake more air? Give me some of those body cues that were happening, because in real life, in the fitness center, or when you guys go to train, not everyone you work with is going to have a heart rate monitor. So this is kind of good real life experience to be paying attention to body cues and rating of perceived exertion, which are other ways which we can monitor intensity of exercise. Okay, so again, just make sure you answer all of the bullet pointed questions. I would say your paper should be probably double spaced, at least 2 pages. Depends how wordy of an individual you are. Just make sure you use proper spelling and grammar, indentation, all of that, and you will just submit it. Again, all of this needs to be completed by April 13th at 5:30. So if you guys would like, you can absolutely get started. Today is the 30th. You absolutely can get started and do this workout today, tomorrow, sometime this week. But again, it's not due until April 13th. And if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a message in Canvas or send me an email. But again, 2 options, either the ladder workout, doing sprints, or doing the Tabata style workout from your house. So good luck. Enjoy the workout. I hope it makes you feel a little bit energized and a little bit, just like kind of a little bit back to normal after all the craze of COVID-19. So take care, guys. Make sure you're washing your hands, and I will talk to you all soon.